We just launched one of the highest performance water blocks on the market. Hey, I'm Abi with FLUIX, and tonight we have launched our triswift Gen 3 water blocks. Gen 3 is our highest performance water block to date. It features a lethal combination of our multi-inlet technology and the highest surface area copper cold plates in the water cooling industry. Tonight we have launched two versions of our triswift Gen 3 water blocks. The first version is for Intel processors and will work with the Core i9 and Extreme Edition processors. The second version is for AMD TR4 Threadripper processors. I will also like to announce that with the release of Gen 3, we'll be reducing the price of our previous Gen 2 water blocks. Gen 3 will be our flagship water block, with extreme performance featuring the highest surface area copper cold plate. Gen 2 will still be a great performer, but it will feature a lower surface area cold plate. At FLUIX, we want to create the highest performance water cooling hardware on the planet. If you have any questions, make sure to send us a DM and go check out our water blocks. The link is in the bio.